With today being Father's Day, I want to say to my dad, Happy Father's Day. I have two amazing parents, but I want to thank my dad for setting the bar really high for an example for me, especially when he didn't have that same example when he was growing up. But one thing we always did is we were always getting out there and going and doing something, whether it was camping, fishing, hiking, backpacking, whatever it was, we got out there and did something. And that's what I wanted to do with my sons. Get out there and enjoy the time. And while I haven't done it perfectly, my dad gave me an example of something to aim high for. So this is my encouragement to other dads out there. While I haven't done it perfectly, continue to get out there, enjoy the time, make memories, and aim high. To all the dads out there, I hope you have a happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Dad.